Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will show you how to make these images for free. So let's get started. Open your favorite browser. Search for bing.com. Click on Image button. Click on Create button. Type your prompt's text here. Now click on Create button. Click on Image to preview. If you want to download this, simply click on Download here. Let's try another sample. Click on Image to preview. If you want to download this, simply click on Download here. And you will get image without watermark. If you want more video like this, let me know in comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget subscribe to my channel.